Hey everyone, so I'm going to give a quick recap of how to make the AI chatbot with Poe. So we're going to be using Poe AI to create um, a customized AI study buddy chatbot. So we are going to start. I'm going to share my screen. So the tool that I'm using today is called Poe, which is Poeai, and it's really great. It has a bunch of different features and different AI bots that you can use to um, get your results. So I'm sharing my screen now. So this is the Poe AI, and I'm going to start this process by clicking on Create, which is in the top left-hand corner. It's this little button with a smiley face. And then after that, I'm going to click Prompt Bot. So that is going to bring me to this page. So here we have the type defined as prompt bot. So that's going to be a text-based prompt. And then we're going to give our bot a name. I'm going to name it Algebra Tutor 25. So that's going to be the name of our bot. And then I'm going to give it a quick description. So algebra tutor who can ask questions and explain difficult concepts. So after that, we are going to move down into the base bot that we're using. It has a bunch of different bots that you can use. The most notable are Claude, GPT, and then it has Grok, Gemini. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to use GPT 4.0 Mini. And then I'm going to paste in this prompt that I wrote before. It's pretty long, but basically what it's saying is you're a highly qualified, engaging algebra tutor designed to support middle and high school students in mastering algebraic concepts. It defines the tone that the bot should have, the objectives, and then it says it should give practice assessment, personalized feedback, and then it gives some key rules: never assume prior knowledge, always prioritize accuracy, clarity, and encouragement. So, creating a prompt is a bit difficult at first, but you can always, to make the process easier, you can tell ChatGPT exactly what you want the prompt for this AI tutor to look like. You can say, I want the tone to be formal, or I want it to be really casual and engaging, like use Gen Alpha slang or something to make it really engaging. So you can create a prompt like that using ChatGPT or just write it yourself, and that will customize the tutor to you. And down here, you can also add a knowledge source, which is like a textbook or worksheet. That's great if you want to base the bot's responses off of a certain source because you're using that for your school or your studies. And I think that's a really useful tool. Then going down, it's going to just ask you if you want the bot to have a greeting message. So I'm just going to say, hi, I'm an algebra tutor ready to help. So that's everything. All you have to do now is click publish. Just say continue without editing unless you want to add a profile picture, which isn't necessary. So I'm just going to say continue without editing. And then boom, you have your own customized study bot. You can ask it questions. If you want to go back and change something, you can click on the three dots here and click edit. You can check its history using the history button. So it has a bunch of different features, and I'm just going to do a quick test prompt. So I'm going to say, okay, explain, let's see, factoring. Really broad concept, but it's going to give this really detailed, great response. Um, So you can see it's really long. It gives you everything you need, explains what is factoring, why are you factoring, common types, then steps, and even an example problem. And then it also asks you, here, try this. And then it's going to give you feedback based on your answer from that practice problem. So I think that this is a great tool, really highly customizable. You can also use a different chatbot and or a different AI tool here, and you can get like a completely different response. You can see this is really different to the one above. So this is just using GPT 4o, and then this is using Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's structured much more formally, gives a lot more details, and it also gives sources, which is great if you need sources for something. So this is a quick overview of how to build a chatbot using Poe and then what you can do with it. I hope that you guys found this useful, and I hope you come back for next time.